The channel Precious Millionaire Logistics. So today I decided to try something new. For some time now I've been practicing. I've just been trying to see how I can incorporate trading view into our analysis, and I've just been going around the app. So sorry guys, I think this is the basic plan, because usually I'm very much used to the MetaTrader 4 that I've been using since. So I'm just trying to see how we can make it quite easier for you guys to process. And then I incorporated this trader view. This is the basic plan, like I said earlier. Maybe if I'm very much convinced that this can work, guys, I'll have to, maybe sometime next year, I have to subscribe to maybe an annual plan and all, so that the delivery and everything will be on point, like what you guys used to on other content, right? So forgive me, I don't know, they are kind of somewhere there is this kind of ad and all that pops up on the screen, so I'll have to remove them, and also there could be some form of interruption somewhere as we go along the line. But then I'll try the best I can, and please guys, don't laugh at me. This is more like a different experience for me. I'm not very much used to using trader view in my trade. So right here I'm using one of the sample brokers here on the trading app FXCM. Usually it's not I actually don't use FXCM for trading, but it's not really an issue because my account is not connected to this. However, so guys, let's look at what we had from last week. Remember guys, I can easily navigate to, okay, fine, this is nice. So I had to, like, over time just throw this, so forgive me, I'll be doing, okay, I'm still trying to get around this. So guys, remember, for odd yen, we had first, guys, we're on this analysis, right? At this point, this was where we reference. You see Ham Johnson. Okay, let me fine. This was where we reference, right, for this week, and our trade here, and somewhere we're kind of ranging at this point. So let me go to the daily time frame where we understand this stuff better. Okay, so the daily time frame. Okay guys, we're on the daily time frame now, and I think we're pretty much around here. Let me use this. Okay, I think I can I think I can use, okay, I can use this here. So we're pretty much around here, around this level here, right? This was where I told you that the price shouldn't break above here, because this was a kind of resistance level. And so far we're on this level, right guys? If you recall, we're on this level, and the price was just ranging around this area. And then I came up with a contrary idea that we're going to enter this trade if it breaks this level, that once it takes out this level, it comes down, we're going to enter the trade. So far this was what I did today, somewhere around today. Yeah, I noticed that the price broke this level, and then I entered in a sell, right? That was where we stopped in our previous analysis, if you guys can recall. But not to worry, because this is what I see here. If you recall, in the analysis there, I'd already plotted our base level, our target level, and our target level for the trade. So guys, this is what happened on the odd yen. I don't expect you guys to be on the profit side for this trade. Many of you guys may not have taken this trade because of the stall we had on it, on the price, right? Ranging, consolidating, and all that stuff. But then it's okay. For the coming week, guys, we're going to do something new, bring up a different analysis, a different pair. We're going to look at a different pair, right, that will most likely end the week with before we do major pairs for the coming week, right? So it's very much okay, guys. We're on the right path. So that's just all for audio. And if you miss the trade, it's fine, it's okay, we're moving on. If you enter the trade and perhaps you close in a little bit loss, very fine, it's okay, right? And if you enter the trade actually like myself and you made some profits, bravo, you're doing well. So guys, remember, this is trading view, and I'm trying to get used to it, right? I'm still trying to get used to it, so don't expect me to perfect it. No. So I'll really like your comments in the comment section, guys, as regards to see how maybe you have one or two ideas about trading view. You can just put in the comment there, so I'll check it out and improve on how to deliver on this, right? So that's just all for audience. So for this week, guys, just watch out, be on the channel for the new analysis I'll be coming up with, right? we're coming up with new analysis for next week. And believe me, these guys, it's gonna be awesome because we're chasing, depending on how long you hold it, but we're chasing 300 pips. 300 pips, guys, about 3,000 points, right? That's what we're doing. So, guys, thank you very much for being supportive. Thank you very much for being on the channel. And I appreciate if you show your support by subscribing to the channel, turning on the notification button so to keep update with us, right? And guys, don't forget, right now there's still there's this kind of informative content that we're putting up on our Instagram page. Really, we're going through the basics, right? That's just the theory, definitions, terminologies, and also you can also connect with us, on Instagram and our Facebook page. On Instagram, guys, it's Millionaire Logistics. On Facebook page, same, Millionaire Logistics. Thanks, guys.